With me heading the AI Center of Excellence, AI is like always on the forefront, right? There's so many things happening every week. Something new is coming out on AI. For me, I think what we are putting too little attention to in the industry is how we connect better across different players and how we create value add solutions, services for the various groups of customers that we would like to reach in the Philippines. And I'm thinking here not just fintech players, also organizations that are very close to customer groups that are usually not easily reached. So we need to have several bridges, I think, of players that will, in the end, help to create a very customer-centric solution, and that provides more value add than what we have today. And especially with AI now, with new technology, a lot of data, there is so much you can do, and it's so easy to create something that's possible, but that's not as meaningful as if you have the input from what this target group would really benefit from. So I think something that can help us create more focus and use AI in the right way to uplift the lives of Filipinos. We should put more attention to that bigger picture. Within the field of I think there's a lot of talk about the latest technologies, Gen AI, right? What it can provide. I think what we are not speaking about that often in AI is how are we actually presenting the output of an AI model so that the decision makers who are typically not data scientists know when to trust and when not to trust AI. Now, slowly, I think with Gen AI, the reasoning comes in, there is more attention to that. But any type of AI, I think there has to be more reasoning included, more explainability, more transparency, so that it's really a handshake between the human and the AI that creates a recommendation for this human. Yeah, sure. So in the Philippines, many are not, they're underbanked or they are unbanked, right? And the number of people is very high. Now that means they typically do not have the credit history that is needed for the typical processes of a bank to take a decision. Yes, we can give you a loan or not. So the typical credit scoring models will not work out. But it doesn't mean that this entire population is not worth lending to, right? But we need other means to figure out who is a good borrower who will also pay us back, right? And this we can do by means of using other data. Because those people, they still have data about themselves, about their behavior, their transactions, just not the typical Cs for what a bank usually would need, right? So we can, for example, use data such as how are they paying their utility bills, for example. And there are other features also like internet access, what kind of behaviors do they exhibit. So we can take those as features and build an AI model that will then be used for scoring whether we should give a loan or not to that particular potential customer. Yeah, and I think with this we can uplift a significant amount of people, enable them to become financially stronger, build their business, which will help them, right, to get in more money, and then they can pay us back. So that will greatly uplift their lives, and that's really nice for me working in AI to be able to give more opportunities to the people here.